them practice that skill in that time, and it feels as if they have done it hundreds of times within few minutes actually. Okay, because हमने एक बात की थी, हमारा जो unconscious mind होता है, it doesn't make that distinction whether something is real or not. It responds. जैसे जो मैं आपको मिसाल दे रहा था कि हमारे जहन में यहाँ पर एक कैमरा लगा हुआ है and it's showing us these images. Okay, और वो जो images नजर आ रहे होते हैं, we think these images are right. Okay, it's like, how do people fall in love or out of love? It's the same thing. You know what they do? They have these images of people in their mind. Okay, and then they make associated images. Associated images वो होते हैं जिसमें हम अपने आप को जैसे for right now, in this moment, wherever you are sitting watching this, you are associated in the moment. So without the camera, you cannot see your own face. Okay, or without a mirror, you cannot see your own reflection. So because you are associated in the moment. लेकिन first कीजिए इसकी हम video बना के, and you're watching a video of this, so that is you're dissociated from it. So when people fall in love, what they do is they create associated images of the person that they fall in love with in their mind, and then like they create memories. आपने वो देखिए जो इंडियन फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं कि हीरो जो है वो जा रहा था और सिग्नल के ऊपर गाड़ी रुकी और वहां पे उनको वो हीरोइन खड़ी हुई नजर आई सिग्नल पे, और उन्होंने उसको देखने के बाद अपने दिमाग में, अभी सिग्नल खुला नहीं था, he has this time distortion experience and he sings a song with her in Kashmir or somewhere in some beautiful place, and Switzerland भी उसके साथ होकर आ गए होते हैं और इतनी देर में सिग्नल खुलता है, and then he moves and he finds कि वो लड़की वहां पे नहीं है, and then it's like बॉम्बे जैसे शहर में दिखाते हैं जहाँ पे करोड़ों की आबादी है, अगले किसी स्टॉप पे और किसी जगह पे वही लड़की उनको दोबारा मिल जाती है. Okay, and then the story begins. मगर वो जो चीज दिखाते हैं वो that is actually the kind of phenomena that happens inside people's brain when they fall in love. And when you fall out of love with someone, what you do is you create dissociations. So you see things from the outside. So and you know what the other thing that people do is they start seeing when they fall in love, they see images of having good experiences with people in association with association. And when they fall out of love, they dissociate from the pleasant and they associate into the unpleasant experiences. And when that happens, they start feeling okay, because dissociation जो होती है ये feelings को खत्म करती है. ये आगे एक topic आएगा, हम लोग we'll talk about that. इंशाल्लाह ये हमारे next week के sessions में आएगा.